When I find those pigs, I'm gonna kill them. I'll kill them with my friends. Oh, this is the Angry Bird movie. How are you doing? I know, I'm so. I'm an Angry Bird. Is Angry Bird real? I'm talking though, because I'm real. And you're saying I'm not real.